Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Uh, Rob did a pretty good video on fear. That's Rob Pings. Please check it out. I have a lot of fears, but also I have to back it up with numbers. Numbers to me is important. Tonight's going to be, I think it's the biggest lotto. Gotta make sure my mic's on. I'm going to play these numbers. Okay, now this is an old one. I quit playing because I was getting busy. But every time I play these stupid numbers, alright, see that? I keep forgetting to play them. And I tell my friends. And I think somebody won like $20 or $100, $20 yesterday. I'm tired. I'm busy. I'm busy all the time. Okay? I sleep on my couch or I sleep in bed. Okay, because I have to be careful and I have to take more meds too, so that's not going to be fun. First important piece of prepping stuff, prepping 101. I did get an email from the CEO of a certain company, I think Lidwell, Litton, I forget. I study CEO companies. I do get emails from certain important canning products. Now, right now, because of the Red Dragon stuff, and also infection rate, and also international companies, Nicole Johnson, CEO of that company, I can't pronounce correctly, sorry, gave out an email and a written statement. Until now to March 21st, 2021, no more canning supplies. If you don't see it on the shelf, if you don't pick it up now, you don't pick up your lids, your cans, the screw top things, the replacements and stuff like that. Excuse me. Sutton Daze also mentioned this. She just did a video on it. I'm doing it. I'm passing out this information more to the survivalists and the prepper communities. Sutton Daze put that out. Of course, a lot of people don't know Uncle Al. There's a lot of stuff, and I could still can. I'm one of the old still can guys who used to still can, so I have no trouble. But if you're using reusable canning products like Bell and Harvest Right and so forth, all those other products, no more canning supplies until March 2021. If they're cleaning out their warehouses, they're building up inventory for new stock. The newsletter and the email says they're still in production, but they have to take precaution because of the Red Dragon and other stuff. And also, thank you for the idiots that are protesting, rioting, causing trouble. That's also slowing down supply chain. They don't want their places to destroy. Okay, very clearly, very simply, email from Nicole Johnson. All right, this repeats again on a canning channel I love. Is Sutton Daze. I gotta make sure I'm joined to her group because YouTube's been cutting me from everybody else, and I've been trying to get back forth to my older subs and channels I watch. Now, that's for the canning stuff. This one, I'm doing research. This is there's more text in back of here than inside the book. It's written at a 3rd grade level. This is stupid as hell. Sutton Cat and Hubble's Cat and me will be laughing at it. It's more junk science. Okay? Everybody who reads this, don't fall for it. I'm reading it again, and I'll read it a couple more times. This is written at a 3rd grade level. This is written at a college level. Okay? Big difference. There is more bitter text in back of this book. See that? Than inside the book. And there's things, I'm going to do a video on that book. Don't waste your money on it. It's a piece of garbage. It's pesto science. Catch you later, folks. You have a nice day now.